Alright guys, good morning. We're back at SSP. Today we're working on the 94 NSX. We're going to go ahead and take the fender liners off, take the front bumper off, and we're going to convert this to the 02 to 05 body style. It's going to be a process, so we're going to go step by step, take a bunch of photos, video, so you guys can do it at home. So, your Phillips screwdriver, obviously get the car on lift. This has been upgraded. But I'm going to put the liner off because there's some bolts to get into to get to the bumper. So, the liners are pretty easy, and I'm assuming cars are pretty damn old, so these clips right here either going to all be missing or going to be breaking as they come out. You push the tab inside just a little bit, like that. It will come out with the flathead. Like so. And so every single one of these clips need to be popped out, and if you're careful with them, they might not break. It's a 50-50 chance they will be broken. You can get behind the fender if you want. I'll just drop one. There we go. There's one over here. Probably 10 of them total. There's one up here. There's one over here. If you push them all in, you could just pull the liner and it'll all just pop out. See, this one's broken already. These little legs, they break on them. They're about $5 a clip. It's the customer's car, so I'm gonna call him and tell him how many clips he wants to buy. He's not gonna like me. So try to save as many of them as possible. Yep, that one lived. Surprisingly, a lot of these clips are living. Usually they all break, or they're already all are broken. So I'm actually impressed. Or someone's replaced them before, one or the other. They don't usually come out that easy. Okay. There's one down here at the very bottom. So there's more. Wait, but wait, there's more. Right there. Now there's these screw looking things right here. They have a little clip on this end. They just slide into the fender. Don't unscrew these, just slide them out. There's one in the front too. They do come out right here. See, it was already it wasn't even holding anything. It was sitting this way. It's supposed to be like this, and it's supposed to just slide into the lip of the fender. If you're looking here, there's 3 more of these guys. Take these guys out, and it'll separate it from the front half of the. There's another piece of the liner. This piece is separate. We're gonna go ahead and take that out too. And it looks like someone's monkeyed with it. Rich, you wanna go back up? I need to get down here. There's one more clip right here. And depending on how some NSXs, you'll have this thing connected up here, some don't. It just depends on how many times they've been replaced. You can take them out together or separately. But for now, we just took them out together. They're both damaged. It's because the car's been lowered. And that's how you take out a fender liner. My friend over here is taking off the other side. The same applies to the other side. That one's just a shot too. I hope the customer...
Well, there's no reason to replace it because it's lowered.
I know. We'll see what our client wants us to do when we present them the facts of might want to raise your car back up a little bit and put some new liners on it. What do you want to do next? The fender? I mean the bumper cover?